Hi, in this video I am going to invoke a Lambda function using the Amazon Eventbridge scheduler. The Lambda function will send a message to the SNS topic. Finally, Simple Notification Service will send a message to the email. I'll do all actions in the AWS web interface. Let's start by creating a Lambda function. Choose author from scratch. Type in a name for your function. In this demo I'm going to use Python. Architecture is x64. Click on Change Default Execution Role. Check if Create a New Role is selected. Let's go ahead. The next step is to paste the function code. I've prepared it before. The code is trivial. When the Lambda function is invoked, it sends the current time to the SNS topic and returns that the message sent successfully. That's it. By the way, I attached the link to the file with the code in the description. Copy the code to AWS. As you see, we need an Amazon resource name for the topic. Let's create it. Type in SNS and open the Simple Notification Service page. Enter a name for your topic. Click on Next Step. Select Standard Type. Keep all other settings as default. Create topic. The next step is to create a subscription. The protocol is email. I am going to use a temporary email. Here is my email. Copy it and paste it into the endpoint field. Click on Create Subscription. Go back to the main page of the topic. As you see, we need to confirm the email. Let's do it. AWS send me the confirmation email. Well done. Subscription confirmed. The topic is ready. Copy ARN and paste it into the Lambda function. We are ready to deploy the function. Alright, let's test our function. Type in event name and invoke the function. An error occurred. Our role created for the Lambda function is not authorized to make publishing to the SNS topic. We need to add permissions for our role. Copy the name of the Lambda function role. Then open the IAM console. First, create a policy. Click on Policies on the side. Create policy. Choose SNS. Expand the right tab and select Publish. In the Resources section, specify all topics for simplicity. Click on Next. Decide on the policy name, for example, my policy. Create policy. Second, attach the policy to the role. Open the roles page. Paste your role in the search field and open it. In the Permissions Policies section, click on Add Permissions and attach policies. Find the created policy, mark it and go ahead. Our policy is attached. Go back to the Lambda function. Let's test it again. On the second attempt, we didn't receive an error. Alright. Lastly, let's create a schedule for our Lambda function. Type in Eventbridge and click on that. Select Eventbridge Schedule. Enter a name, for example, my schedule. The schedule group remains as is. In the Schedule Pattern section, there are two options, a one-time schedule and a recurring schedule. In my case, I am going to select the second one. Choose your time zone. If you use a cron-based schedule, some services can help with it. Here is one of them. Write your time and the service will tell you the time of the execution. In my case, I will use a rate-based schedule. For example, let's invoke the Lambda function every 3 minutes. Flexible time windows are off. Click on Next. Choose Templated Targets and AWS Lambda. Select the Lambda function and go Next. Check that the schedule is enabled. Choose None in the Action After Schedule Completion field. Turn off the Retry policy. Dead letter queue is None. Select Create New Role for this schedule and click on Next. Review the settings and create the schedule. The schedule is running. Open your email box. If everything is configured OK, you will receive emails from Simple Notification Service every 3 minutes. All functions smoothly. We've received the current time. That's it. You can send an email with whatever you want using the approach from the video. Don't forget to delete all created resources. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you. Goodbye.